Hey senseFly, I'm Paul Cooley, the president of NextGen Environmental Research, a startup remote sensing firm based out of Winnipeg, Canada. We use senseFly drones to improve the interpretation of satellite data in order to make northern communities more resilient to climate warming. Drones solve a long-standing problem with satellite data interpretation in that the ground validation surveys can only visit a limited number of sites. Now with senseFly RTK drones, we can easily map very complex areas or revisit areas that change quickly, map them at a high resolution, and during the time of the satellite data overpass, which is really important. We've found that low-altitude drone data vastly improves the confidence of our fieldwork and enables us to track environmental changes over time where satellite data cannot. Here's an example. Our last project, funded by the Canadian Space Agency, used drones and synthetic aperture radar satellite data to study lake ice hazards. Pressure ridges can attain 2 meters in height and be more than 100 kilometers long in large lakes. Ridges form barriers to travel on winter roads. Ridges collapse early and leave a wide crack that is the cause of many vehicle immersions and, unfortunately, the loss of human life. We flew our eBee Plus RTK at the time of 14 satellite overpasses. Orthomosaics and digital surface models show temporal change. Ridges receive more energy from the sun and are up to 3 degrees warmer than the surrounding ice. We flew our eBee when neither the ice or boat travel was safe to show the last decaying stages of the ridge. Timing is key. We imaged land, water, and ice all at once, which is a condition that only lasts for a day or two each year. NextGen Environmental Research is now considered a global leader in the lake ice hazard mapping field, and a large part of this success has been due to senseFly's extremely capable drone. Our eBee data can now be used to educate people on lake ice hazards, which will make travel on lake ice in the future safer as our climate warms. Thanks for a great tool, senseFly, and we look forward to flying the eBee X.